Oh, Torre Vieja.
Yeah, revisiting some of our old friends. You know what I'm saying here? What happens if we do this?
I couldn't agree with you more completely. No! Oh, yeah, I'm behind you all the way.
No! I don't need to show up for this anymore. he's got his own co-host.
He's this is a wonderful Chilean family. When they call on us, I don't know if you've been here when they've come to see us.
No.
It's the daughter and the dad, and he lives in Chile, and he comes back quite frequently. He brings wines directly from Chile to us. This is one of the brands they bring in. But the last time we sat at the table, they brought us some Chilean olive oil.
Oh yeah, you told me about that.
And our Argentinian that we sell here, the Vista Alba, actually just nosed it out a little bit. It was very good. So I love this.
This is a tremendous Malbec. This is so much better than the wine that somebody gave me to bring to you to try.
Oh, recently?
Got it. And it was like twice the expensive, and it was terrible.
They're great makers over here. And this is going to open up a lot.
This is really, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to buy some of this wine and take it to this idiot and say, this is what it's supposed to taste like, you know?
And he wanted it more. How much more?
Double.
A lot more.
Oh, it was double the price. Yeah, it was double the price.
They've always done a great job, but this has got the viscosity of this is interesting to me. You know, sometimes they're pretty hard. This one's not so hard.
No, it's really smooth, and it's got that wonderful kind of cranberry cherryish fruit that Malbec gets that you see sometimes in Cabernet Franc. And $6.99. I mean, that is really an amazing buy.
It is really. I'm sitting on it still. Right, I spit it out 3 seconds ago. I'm still getting all these flavors coming through.
When you can buy a wine like that for $7, I'm telling you, you are way ahead of the game. I'm doing a 96 on that. I think that wine's amazing.
I'm going to tie that 96, and I'm going to take this tonight because I have to go home after this video, after we have lunch, put some ribs.